Hello students, I hope you all are utilizing this time in the best possible way, and I hope that you have started solving all the exercises from chapter 1 and chapter 2. Now today we'll start with chapter number 3, that is playing with numbers. But before that, let me tell you the name of the book. So the name of the book is Composite Mathematics by S.K. Gupta, and the publisher is S. Chand. Sorry, I forgot to tell you the name of the book in my previous videos. Now, without any further ado, let's start the chapter. The first thing that we are going to study here is simplification of numerical expressions. One expression is given here, 8 into 10 divided by 5 minus 3. Now you have to simplify this expression first and then you have to find out the answer. Here there are two girls. This is Pratibha and this is Neha. Let us see how they have solved this expression. So Pratibha has done what? She has performed multiplication first. 8 into 10 is 80 and then 5 minus 3 is 2. So first thing that she has done is she has multiplied these two numbers and then she has subtracted these two numbers, and then at last she has divided 80 by 2 and she has got the answer 40. Now let us see what Neha has done. She has divided 10 by 5 first, and then she has multiplied 8 twos are 16, and then lastly she has subtracted 3 from 16. So she is getting 13 here. Now there is an ambiguous situation. For one expression, how can be there two answers? So to avoid these confusions, there are some rules that are framed in mathematics. The rule says that whenever a calculation involves a combination of the fundamental operations plus, minus, multiplication, division, these should be performed in the following order. First, we have to perform the division and then multiplication, then addition, followed by subtraction. This rule is called DMAS rule. So whenever there is an expression given to you and you have to simplify the expression, the first thing that you have to do is you have to perform the division first, and then you have to perform the multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Let us try to understand this with the help of an example. Here I have taken up one expression. You have to simplify this expression. So according to the rule, the first thing that we have to do is we have to perform the division. So 35 divided by 7 is 5, and we'll write the remaining expression as it is. Now second thing is that we have to perform the multiplication. After division, we have to perform the multiplication. So 5 into 3 is 15. And then we have to perform the addition. So 15 plus 4 is 19. And then finally subtraction. 19 minus 11 is 8. So this is how we have to simplify the expression. We can simplify the expression only by DMAS rule, which says that we have to first perform the division and then multiplication, then addition, and then lastly subtraction. Now we learn about the operation of. In expressions like twice of, 1/5 of, 8% of, the meaning of is what? Multiplication. Thus, wherever it is written 4 of 5, you know that of means multiplication. That means you have to multiply 4 by 5. Wherever it is written 1/3 of 15, that means 1 by 3. Of means what? Multiplication. So 1 by 3 of multiplication 15. There's one thing that you have to keep in your mind, that is the of operation is carried out before the operations of division and multiplication are done. Let us understand this thing with the help of an example. 75 divided by 3 of 5. Now we know that the OF operation is carried out before the operations of division and multiplication. So the first thing that we are going to do is we have to perform the OF operation. OF means multiplication. So 3 into 5 is what? 15. So doing OF first, and then we'll divide 75 by 15, and then we'll get the required answer. Now the next example is 90 divided by 3 of 5 into 2. Now the first operation that we are going to perform is OF operation. So OF is what? Multiplication. 3 of 5 means 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 5s are 15. Now according to DMAS rule, the first thing that we are going to do is we'll divide these two numbers. So 90 divided by 15 is 6, and then lastly multiplication, 6 2s are 12. We learnt about the DMAS rule. Here's an extension to that rule, that is BODMAS. What is BODMAS? Order bracket of division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So here bracket is done first, and then OF operation, then division, multiplication, addition, followed by subtraction. Let us understand this with the help of an example. 81 divided by 3 of, in bracket, 2 plus 7 into 5 of 6. So we know that bracket is done first. So 2 plus 7 is what? 9. And then we'll perform the OF operation. 3 of 9 is what? 27, and 5 of 6 is what? 30. Now we have 81 divided by 27 multiplied by 30. So now division will come first. So 81 divided by 27 is 3, and lastly we'll perform the multiplication operation. Then we'll multiply 3 by 30 and we'll get the answer. Now let us look at the type of brackets used in mathematics. These kind of brackets are called parentheses or circular or small brackets. Usually we call these brackets as small brackets. Second is braces or curly brackets. These kind of brackets are called braces or curly brackets. These brackets include circular brackets, that is small brackets also. See here, 7 minus curly bracket 9 divided by, then small bracket 8 minus 5, small bracket close, and then curly bracket close. Now third one is big brackets or square brackets. These kind of brackets are called big brackets or square brackets. These brackets include small brackets or parentheses and curly brackets. Look here, 1 minus square bracket is there, and then it also includes curly bracket and small bracket in it. Now fourth is bar or vinculum. This is called as bar or vinculum. 5 into in bar 3 plus 1. Now we look at how to simplify an expression having brackets. Here you can see that there's small bracket and curly bracket is also there. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll solve the expression that is inside the small bracket, and then we'll solve the expression that will be there in the curly bracket, and lastly 27 will be divided by the number that we'll get after simplifying this expression. So 20 divided by 5 minus 3 is there. We know that according to BODMAS rule, division is done first. So 20 divided by 5 will be 4. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Small bracket is solved. Now curly bracket, we'll be solving curly bracket. 8 plus 1 is 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. So the answer is 3. Here I have taken one more question. Here you can see that there's a curly bracket, and then there's a small bracket also, and a bar is also there. So the first thing that we are going to do is we'll solve the expression that is there in the bar, and then the small bracket, and then curly bracket, and then all together the remaining expression. Eight minus 5 is 3. Now 18 divided by 3 will be what? 6. Here 5 is multiplied by 6. Now minus 30. Now you know that before subtraction we have to perform multiplication according to BODMAS rule. So 5 6 are 30. Sorry, this is plus. Thirty minus 30 is 0. Now 0 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. According to BODMAS rule, division is done first. So 10 divided by 5 is what? 2. 0 plus 2 into 2 is 4. So 0 plus 4 is 4.